Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of robotics to tell you about a groundbreaking invention that's scaling new heights, quite literally. Meet LORIS, the four-legged bio-inspired robot that climbs like no other. Created by a talented team at Carnegie Mellon University's Robomechanics Lab, LORIS stands for Lightweight Observation Robot for Irregular Slopes, and it's as cool as it sounds. Unlike traditional robots that struggle with rough surfaces, LORIS clings to rugged terrains with an ease that's nothing short of revolutionary. Now you might be wondering, how does this robot manage to keep its grip where others slip? The secret lies in its unique microspine grippers. Picture this. At the end of each of LORIS's four legs is a splayed gripper with two groups of spines arranged at a right angle. These aren't just any spines, they're tiny, sharp hooks that catch onto nooks and crannies on surfaces like rock faces where other robots would falter. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Some robots use passive microspine grippers which depend on gravity to hang on. They're okay for flat walls but falter on irregular surfaces. Others use active grippers with electric actuators to dig into the surface, but these are bulky, slow, and energy-hungry. LORIS, on the other hand, combines the best of both worlds. Its grippers are connected to the legs by passive wrist joints, allowing them to adapt dynamically as the robot moves. With an onboard depth-sensing camera and a smart microprocessor, LORIS strategically advances its legs. When it grips the surface with one leg, the opposing leg also secures its hold, maintaining a stable inward tension that keeps the robot firmly attached to the climbing surface. This method, inspired by insects, is known as directed inward grasping, or DIG. What's truly impressive is how LORIS balances lightweight design, speed, and energy efficiency without compromising on its strong and adaptable grip. And if that's not enough, this robot is also designed to be easy and inexpensive to manufacture. So whether you're into robotics, climbing, or just cool new tech, LORIS is a project worth keeping an eye on. It's not just a step forward in robotic design, it's a leap towards the future of how robots can interact with and navigate our world. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next exploration into the amazing world of technology.